Right. Asante Kotoko lose match. Now, say no, the way I defeat ne banon, a man for starting friend lose at home at Asante Kotoko, which is not a news that we all expected. And I say, Yenijum, name of my banner, I say, Kotoko lose match is becoming normal and gradually is becoming acceptable. So Kotoko lose match, she is here. Neno. And one sem any can Dreams FC actually Asante Kotoko the who action by 2-0 and a lot of things must change. And then the fire is going straight to the IMC to fire Coach Ogum. Yeah, the fire name IMC. No more Pamu Coach Ogum because now clearly the man should be fired. Omonin didn't come out, he's not willing to resign. So the powers above must fire him. If not, then Yenjin Tumse Kotoko at this moment, teams are battle for relegation, and you understand that in a very next moment of this particular discussions. Nkomono ye tiawa and a nibreso wachre yemfa nyomen diagro because eyaji say and send your master. Now, this is the view, and this is where you come in. Hanami here, one me ya ding. Say Pamu Coach Ogum, maybe Bobo maybe so, and unti see a Pamono, one may add after the 2-0 defeat against Dreams. Do you think Coach Ogum should go? If you not resign, do you think we should fire him? And I say he should stay. I know I won't come on the Babeti or Paul Coupon stand with Selbet. Maybe see ya. Say ending community tiawa na yewura nsem. Let's start from the league table. Now share the last 10 games for the Ghana Premier League and the permutations. In the last 10 games in the Ghana Premier League, Asante Kotoko loses 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm starting with the bad records. Until I see a Pamu coach, as I said, let no, I'm the man with the wuho. When the man no chana omo to before fraud team no kway recovery adakwaja che. To before fraud team no kway recovery ho. Listen, in the last 10 games got lose 7. That is in the Ghana Premier League. Inti o check Ghana Premier League table na. Ubewa benya eye team one. Ye friend Kotoko with 7 points out of 30 points in the last 10 games in the Ghana Premier League. 30 points no Kotoko nyamu 7. Elusumu 21 points. What I said, sorry, 23 points. And we lose in the last 10 games. Or 7 points. We lose 7 matches. We win 2. And we draw 1. And we need making a baby and Gold Stars and Bofuakwatano. And a ball draw against Bechem United. And we lose 7. 7 in here, Dreams FC. Dreams Asante Kotoko. Nso Atrema Asante Kotoko. Akala Asante Kotoko. Ediana Asante Kotoko. Nations FC Asante Kotoko. Karela United Asante Kotoko. And a Heart of Lions Asante Kotoko. This is in the league. The last 10 games na mediama and record way it is not acceptable anywhere when it comes to the affairs of Kotoko. Yendi we into muda. Timiya the 10 but the last game in the Ghana Premier League against Bofuakwatano first round number abeka and now man 2 wins. 2 Gold Stars win if you are and Kieka second round then a 4 points out of 27 points. And a Kotoko lose. Kotoko 4 points out of 27 points in the second round. But he extended the 30 there. And an advantages need to become for Team FN Asante Kotoko. But you monitor discussion. To 27 points. No when you move forward. The before the end become one and Kotoko 7 out of 30. And we coach now who supervises this team. Even Heart of Lions will fire their coach for this. Any team in the Ghana Premier League under no condition, and then also a manager if you are handling the team with this kind of records. What in common I say? Kotoko lose 4 atwaso and a draw back be firm and was lose 2 as atwaso. So if you are even making the argument near narrow to the last 7 games, but we lose 6 about draw 1. But me am person me can be my coach in po. But why so be can be my coach in po enye. RTU is 11 points, out to 11 points, which means that in the last 10 games, even RTU, there were 4 more points than Asante Kotoko. So Kotoko is the only team in the last 10 games that all single digit what do you call it, points. Because all the other 17 teams will be double digits. Kotoko was 7 out of 30. Don't forget, in the second round, after the first round break, Kotoko started FA Cup free. Ebra, team of friend Carolina United share Kotoko 2-0. Kotoko atene Kumasi, ama say Kababe sending the President Cup, the cup, the call. So the poor performance of Kotoko, should you extend it out of the league, you don't get positives. The Obenya is Swatremaya, J. Cup, Kotoko share no. But the FA Cup, Kotoko free, President Cup, Kotoko free. So defeat, no, a more under coach Ogum. And that's the last 10 matches. Now let's come to the Ghana Premier League proper. Samate say the first round no number 10 Kotoko 2 points. And then almost 49 points. Asante Kotoko 33 points. What it means is that the other league in the sono any Asante Kotoko say a 16 points gap. 16 points gap between the other league in the sono any Asante Kotoko 16 points and on beam. But now look at something. Teams near that relegation zone, because Kotoko 3 points. Carolina United, that 16th position was 30 points. So Kotoko is just 1 game, just 3 points, and that or no, any Carolina United in them. But the Open League now, is 16 points. That is how far CC Kotoko na be through. Under Coach Ogum. Again sem. Again clear. Again sem. You cannot look at Kotoko and talk about other factors. I'm now focusing on the poor performance. Then I will share other factors. Then I will cut him no. Possession Kotoko nya. Chance creation. Bu Kotoko. Shot at Kotoko. Bu. So this is not a situation at team neighbor ball. Because when you or enjoy more possession. Into Yebeba. This is not the time I Kotoko create chances to diminish. Into it like so you create a best from time I free first round back no. You start to see a ball against Carolina. No, the improvement of the team nimi ho. Into be your help Kotoko go stars be a free stadium say ne go stars for Kotoko. But it would have even be okay if can call for Kotoko na Kotoko say. In this case, omo boyen e so you don't even see positive in the game ebemu agina so akase coach in Twaso because you create chance, you enjoy possession, you team pass. So what exactly is he teaching the boys at the training grounds? Then more. This is the statistics. This is the points gap. Now let's look at individual players. Say it looks like all the players are becoming ordinary. Bukwala, Untimishe, second round, 1 goal. Isaac Opon Timishe. Morrison Muso, Baba Yaya Muso, Lamte Pra, Peter Minuaka, average. Defense Nuruddin, Henry Ansu, Obo Nuruddin, Henry Ansu, Blea, Asem, Obo Blea, Henry Ansu, Asem, Blade Nuruddin, Asem, Nana Benini Bebo Trea, Bui, Nicholas Bar, in fact, the Kuba, in fact. So among the team, why player Ben Akase in recent times, the performance is improving, but the coach is adding value to the players. The resource value and back, the performance of the team value and back. In today, you be so asre akasen kunimbieba. Then tell me, himfa any ejina so asre akasen kunimbieba. Tell me, nothing. The players he signed are not performing. Players of Tomo, they are not improving. Resource is bad. Total team performance is a disaster. And in terms of resource, in terms of what is happening on the field, getting closer to relegation. The next game is against Samates. And if you are being honest with ourselves, you share Monday morning Kotoko down the dino, you share born out Kotoko bono. Now you see him fa acrobatics bien kahwa. Summer test a favorite to beat Kotoko at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Because the nations are special. Things were trema special. Zakra Lions are special. Summer test not that league no so native special. Kotoko lose 3 matches at once home. So in the Ghana Premier League under Coach Ogum, Kotoko is the worst side when it comes to home performance, and yet a bomb. So the supporters come to Baba Yara Sports Stadium and they leave with cheers. Form guide in yet, home form in yet, goal scoring yet, because now in the Ghana Premier League, Kotoko our negative 1 goal. Kotoko have considered more goals than the goals they've scored. Kotoko lose more matches than the matches they won. They say Kotoko lose 11 matches, but league, Kotoko winning 9 matches. So more goals considered than goals scored. More, what do you call it? More defeats than wins. That is the state of Kotoko under Coach Ogum currently. So the doctor is not healing things. The doctor is not changing things. The doctor is not fixing things. And the doctor must go back to the classroom. They say he must go back to the classroom for someone else to come and fix it. Yedana say, first round with me points, Obian Kaswasa, but something must change. And as I see a 2 year nabi, a 2 soon ne poaso chini jadi. Because Kotoko sama tesu obo in so atremai. Obo Midiama. No abo Legon City, no abo Brekun Chelsea. Then has Oli ne to bunum. Matches na eba sa. Matches na eba sa. I come 9 games na Premier League 9. The 9 games. It is a wood dinomedi agro a best san. Now this is the league table. Legon Cities. Eda Kotoko but our game in hand. Dreams FC. It was 2 matches on the ball. Kotoko Eli Diomo 2 points. But for Akatano was 30 points. 3 points off Kotoko. Karela also was 30 points. Karela kwa away. Bofo ekwa away. So Karela is going home. But for Akatano is going home. Kotoko is coming home. But you didn't see home yet. So in our next game, should we lose against Samates, there is the possibility that Kotoko will have a relegation zone based on this. The sort of one so we also need a new manager to come and change things because this manager is not changing things. And then another boy and now say, "Kaish, Henry Ansu Nuruddin, and yet, called so." And now the worst thing is that his substitutions is not bringing the team any joy. And there back one year the Ogum Abasumi said, "But game na ye changes be. Both the ball no sesa atane. Say so ye changes no kra na tiafa so." So there is no improvement from the training grounds. During match there were substitutions who are away. So if also on resign, but if for any form of dignity, he should go back to the classroom because of say, team no, your pamona no, supporters no, resource now they mind and higher into the pamon, not classroom I was saying how no. Near Pope your barber solve ya no do send ye how na ye did a tiako. Nobody will be in Ogum assembly. Sematisi, I'm a share the last 10. Me first round near the curfew. Now the FA Cup become like 8 defeats in 10 competitive games. 8 defeats in 10 competitive games. This is looking like a loser-ton. That's all. That is my point. Sempeni foni jini de bro so aso betimi adane nyoma omo amasem. But I'm telling them, Senyoma Sasa, Baba Yara Sports, the baby will be a frigate to be a back. Send ye Kakuya. 7 matches, well, lose 6. About draw 1. 21 points, when at 1 point, well, lose 20. It's terrible. A disaster. And this is not Kotoko. Just under no circumstance. And I'll bet me a classify and say Kotoko. And ya Kotoko. Me and him say Ogum first season was shen your man. No problem. But also shen your man just for Kotoko Kori. Kotoko Pamu did Dramani. No, I did 2 FA Cup back home. He had a bastard, he was fired. Kotoko Pamu David Duncan. Kotoko Pamu Lugaros at Michael Osei, Sika Kono, Maxwell Kunedu. Na or your former player was the league pen the Amakotoko. Or Baya Mfana Nana Amponsa Pamono. Mariano Barreto, a former Blasters coach, or the Kotoko the second, or the far Kotoko in the middle of the season. He left. I can give you left or left, Steve Pollard, and the Kotoko the FA Cup, or Africa 1 game and he was fired. The point I'm trying to make is that coaches are hired to be fired, and coaches stay in teams based on their results. Into results on ye pamon. Results on ye pamon. They say a pamono. No ko. If you obesa babim that time no bit ma be ni. But say no, your man enough time so only you wontimi nye. Wontimi nye. The last 3 games got 1 point out of 9. 1 point out of 9. And I got kwashe 1 goal. 1 goal. Sadaka the goal no share against Swaterman pe because be chim 0-0 and you share 1 goal against Swaterman and say ne asadia wo hoy. Nobody is happy with the results. No one is happy with the results. But if you can't get the results, you must go for the ultimate results number to come and take over. This is my view. Other analysis will come. But this is my view about the current situation of Asante Kotoko and why the coach must go. Instantly. I said the next post we are expecting from Kotoko, the coach fired. Mutuau, so I resign you. The bottom line is so before for back, no be yam. It has to best pull aside something because clearly we need answers. We need answers. We need antidote. The doctor is not healing things, and things are getting bad. Asante Kotoko. Chewadin, Nyambua Makot confirm to my friend. Bye bye.